Pending sale, that's what we want to see. Yes, that's a sign you want to see in front of your house. But how can you be assured that your agent can actually get you there? What do they have? Do they have buyers? Do they have buyers for your home? Hi, it's Gary Evans with Evans Realty Group. We have 16 key marketing systems that we use to get your home sold fast for top dollar. And we have over 7,000 buyers in our database right now looking for homes in the area. It's like we were looking for a buyer for your home before you ever even saw this. So make sure that the agent you work with has the buyers so you get one of these in front of your house. We're on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. We appreciate your business. Your referrals and your business do help us do that. Thank you for that. And if you found this information helpful, please share it with a friend. Give us a like. And you can also go to our website, reportsbygary.com, reportsbygary.com, for our 10 questions that you should ask any agent that you're going to ask to interview to sell your home. And we want to know, do they have the buyers? We have over 7,000 in our database right now. So we hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks for watching this, and we're going to talk to every one of you real soon.